Hey guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you how I maintain my goddess braids. I got these done about a week ago. This is the second time having the goddess braids and I've definitely learned quite a lot from the first time. They do require a lot of high maintenance, so before you do get these braids done, just know that you're going to need to take care of them literally every single day so that they don't get tangled and so they don't look tatty and just not very nice. So in order to keep them fresh and tangle free, this is what I do to maintain them. I'll also link my hairdresser that did my braids in the description box below because she is absolutely amazing at what she does, and yeah, you guys might want to check her out, so I'll leave her details in the description box below. So guys, the first thing you're going to need is your little spray bottle. I just purchased this from Amazon. You fill it up with just plain water from the tap, and then what I just do is I section out my parts. So I start off with the front bits of the hair and I just pretty much spray loads of water onto the hair. You really need loads of water because that's what's going to keep it tangle free and also easy to work with as well, as you can see. And then guys, I just separate them with my fingers. I find that it's easier that way than using a comb because I just find that really painful. So I just separate them with my fingers, which is why I say you have to maintain it every single day, because if you don't maintain it every single day, you can imagine how painful it's going to be to try and detangle everything. So you have to do this every single day. So yeah, I just separate them with my fingers, just like so. And then I'm gonna go in with more water. Guys, once I finish dousing the braids in water, I like to go in with this Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is the repair cream, and I pretty much just take around about this amount of the conditioner, and then I just mix it all up and just apply a generous amount onto the sectioned area, like so. And I just find that the conditioner works better in terms of moisturizing the braids. I find that the mousse can be very drying, and also I felt like it made the tangle hair even worse. That's just my personal opinion, but that's what I prefer to do. I just apply some conditioner like so, and then just leave it in there and then go on to the next section. It is quite tangled at the back. That's because yesterday I couldn't be bothered to section it out. And this is what I mean by this hairstyle is very high maintenance. And I'm just gonna go in with my spray. If it gets too knotted, don't be scared to just cut out the knot with the scissors. That's something that I have often found I had to do the first time when I had these braids, because they are such a job and a half. So I'm just sectioning out the back and just using my fingers to detangle everything. Don't be scared to just cut the knots. If you see any, I had to do this the first time round because sometimes it gets too clumped up and you just need to cut out the knot. Otherwise, the situation just becomes worse. So just detangle like so. Go in with more water. And then your conditioner. So guys, this is the side that I've just detangled. As you can see, the curls are looking so scrumptious and it looks fresh, tangled free as well, and just nice and loose and bouncy. So I'm going to do this side with no audio, and I'll show you guys what it all looks like once we are finished. But so far, so good. So guys, this is what the hair is looking like. It looks very much revived, bouncy, and also curly as well. It's looking soft. To add a little bit of more of a softness to it, I like to go in with this pumpkin seed oil. I'm just going to let it focus so you guys can see what it looks like. But I like to go in with this pumpkin seed oil, and this just helps to keep it looking shiny and even more softer. I also like how it smells as well, because it literally smells like pumpkin latte. So I just apply a generous amount onto the braids. Because they're synthetic, they do become a little bit hard, so it's important to keep them feeling nice and soft as much as possible. And applying this oil just helps to give them a nice shine and maintain somewhat of a softness to them. It smells so good, guys. And then I also apply a little bit of the oil onto my scalp to keep it nicely hydrated. That is pretty much how I maintain these goddess curl braids. I really hope you guys liked the tutorial. I know it's a bit long-winded, but you're gonna thank me after doing this routine when your curls are looking bouncy and not tangled. Obviously, because it's synthetic hair, it will tangle and bunch up, but if you do this routine every single day or like every other day, it's going to maintain things looking nice and fresh, and your curls are going to look gorgeous. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think. If you've got any other products that you'd suggest, then also let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.